Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is JULIUZ and I'm watching the best videos of the trading industry with you together, so you don't have to do it all by yourself. Today, I'm watching the first video from Tori Trades, day trading through my $100,000 euro summer. Okay, so we're gonna see some trading. We're gonna see a fun vacation vlog. This is everything I could ask for. So we get right into it. You guys leave a sub and a like real quick down below. Thank you for your support on the channel. I'm leaving a like immediately on Tori Trades video as well. And we get right into it a little bit louder. And here we go.
So we are minus 2 days away from my summer Euro vacay, and I haven't even packed or done any shopping. So today is that day. I need to somehow get my bangs to not look like a mustache. That's what I gotta do. Fuck!
So as I mentioned, the first video from Tori Trades, I do not know much about her. We're gonna get to know her together. And $100,000 euro summer. So does the vacation cost $100,000? We'll see.
Bangs are driving me insane. No. I think I just need to put the bangs away today. They just need to go. Alright, let's go. Actually, I just parted my hair. Alright, Mom, now I'm ready.
Let's go shopping. Oh my god, I forgot I'm in a trade.
Yeah, you are. I'm driving. Alright, y'all can see me, I guess. I slept in. I'm losing $8,000. I didn't do my makeup or my hair today. Or wear a cute outfit. Alright, we're getting shoes first.
So is she already in a position?
I love all these shoes. Dude, I can't.
Is she trading 24/7?
With my hair, I can't do it. I can't look at myself. I'm just gonna have to turn you guys around. No more me. Alright, we have made it to Aritzia. Sheshe is here. Mommy is here. Pepe is on a...
Her mother does look exactly like her.
We have made it to Aritzia. Sheshe is here. Mommy
Look at that. Like the same person.
is here. Pepe is on a roll. She's on the hunt. She's like, Tori, take this. This is you. I want you to be Lux.
Okay, we're gonna see some shopping here. You guys know the deal. That's not one of my biggest interests. I'm here for the trading, but we get through that.
Alright, we are going to start trying on. We've got our full haul in this closet right here. We're going to make it snappy. So I'm going to open the curtain. We see the next one. Open the curtain.
Okay, maybe let's skip a little bit of the outfit checks here. Yeah, probably does look amazing here. Okay, now we're gonna see some trading with the face mask on. I'm here for it.
Getting like $1,000.
Guys, okay, I love it.
Now I'm losing $4,000.
Okay, finally we're gonna see some charts. I do not know what Tori is trading, how Tori is trading, on which time frame, so let's get right into it. Okay, we're in the 1 hour. She's trading platinum futures. Never seen somebody trading platinum. Maybe it's good. Okay, so this is the chart. Tori is in a long position, as it seems, right here, up here, going for a breakout, and the market is currently trading lower, but now we are seeing her beautiful trend line, so she's expecting a move higher in a bigger time frame, in the 1 hour. Okay, so this could take like the whole night. Interesting to see.
But we're still respecting this upward trend line. So we're still in. It's smacked out.
I guess she entered right here at the top after the trend line got respected, but the market was not ready yet to really break out higher. So hopefully the market will do it on a second attempt.
Up in the middle. I'll know pretty soon in the next day or so if this trade is going to work out or not.
So in the 1 hour, we're gonna see some different trading here. Why not? If it's fitting in your lifestyle, okay? You're trading the 1 hour chart, take a look every hour, doing everything you need to do, going for your daily tasks and having your mobile phone with the trade on with you all the time. I think that could be something that works for a lot of you guys while still maintaining your daily life, okay? As it currently is. But additionally, trading a higher time frame with simple stuff like trend lines and breakouts and going for a continuation of a long momentum, like Tori is doing that in platinum here.
Right now, we're actually in consolidation. Bounce.
Yeah, this is a consolidation, but still long trade is still intact, okay? Long trade is actually intact for a while. Only if like really this low price here would break, I'd still say the market is long, but let's say the market is coming down and then is finding resistance and then going lower, then I'd say the long structure is broken. Before that, long is still the way to go. Unfortunately, Tori really got in right at the top, but if her stop loss is big enough, everything can work out fine. And you can be profitable with a reward risk below 1, okay? So if Tori just has a pretty big stop loss, let's say a stop loss right here, and her take profit is only here, Yeah, the risk is more than twice as much as her reward might be, but still this could work out perfectly fine for her.
Bounce, 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 bounce in between 1674 and 1620. So I really need to see this continue up and break this 1674 for me to be like, okay, this is a long position. This is going. Right now, it ain't going nowhere. So we're losing $4,955 here.
So pretty big position. And now I also understand the title, Trading Through My Euro Summer Vacation. She has a mobile phone with her. She's always in a trade in 1 hour. I like it.
All right, we are getting ready to leave.
Let's go on a 100K Euro vacay, girls.
100K Euro vacay starts today, right now.
Okay, we're in the Uber. We're headed to the airport. What I love is that we already have our coffees doing our coffee.
Abbiamo iniziato il disceso verso Milano. Minuti.
Okay, so they're flying to Milano.
Saremo a Malpensa. So che volete di scartare?
Ready to go, cowgirl?
Great place to start. I'd also like to make some vacation in Milano. Actually.
She wasn't ready to work today, boys.
Hello.
I'm Lisa.
And now what about the position? Is the position still going against her?
Thank you, bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. We did it. It's hot. We ready.
First place Tori ever traveled internationally was here with her second boyfriend.
Fabulous. To the hotel.
So for me, going to Milano is basically a 8-hour car drive, which is reasonable. For her, it's maybe 10-hour flight, so this is kind of a difference.
How's your journey?
Great.
Yeah. Don't worry, we look after your luggage.
Okay.
Just stay with my colleague. Okay.
Thank you.
In the Bulgari Hotel, never heard of it. But looks nice. And I just like watching the lifestyle of the successful traders, because this is what we all want in our lives, okay? If we are able to increase our position size over time, this is what we want to do. Okay, my trading style is basically not in the bigger time frames like Tori is doing it, where I can take a look at the charts here and there. I really have to sit down and trade for 2 to 3 hours a day, really concentrate and make my money in this amount of time.
Thank you, love.
But you know the deal, guys. I'm always getting inspired by all of those traders. I watch a lot of traders trade live, trade in hindsight whatsoever, and I get inspired by them. And if I see a new trading approach like Tori is doing here, I'm thinking about it and maybe implementing that in my trading life as well.
Yay, fresh fruit.
I thought so.
We landed and we're going
Immediately without a second to unpack.
to the spa.
No, we did unpack.
We did unpack. We got a 50-minute massage in 5 minutes, so we gotta go
Okay, massage is going good, and we're gonna see some charts again.
see where we're at. There we go. Okay. Trading view, what do we got?
Trading view.
I anticipated placing a day trade, and now here I am swing trading the shit out of this. All right, we're down 10,000
Oh, okay. In the 4 hour.
versus the previous 14. I've got this dotted line here.
So the market went against her. Now I'm not really sure which trend line was the one that we saw previously.
It's very faint, very light. I need to see price break out of that for me to still remain confident in this position. If it doesn't, then we're just consolidating.
Okay, I did not know that price came from above, which looks like it.
We're just moving around. So if price can break this line here, I'm going to feel a lot more confident about this long position.
Okay.
Also, obviously, it has to break out of this 1674. But yeah,
So what we can analyze here, just from the chart, she's totally right. Now, at this point, selling the highs and buying the lows makes a little more sense, and we consolidating are basically in a trading range. Nevertheless, the short-term bias is long. We made a higher low, and maybe we're gonna make the higher high that Tori is waiting for. For sure, the market, at least in the last couple of hours, is definitely long. So if I would be forced to do a trade here, I would probably search for long entries above the high of the previous candle, because this is what you basically can do in a rising market. in the very big picture, the price came from above. So in theory, people who try to short the market at good locations like the top or after a breakout of the higher low also have their arguments, also have a right to get into a short position here. So this is getting interesting. So far, nothing is decided.
So we're at drawdown, $9,000.
But also a long position is reasonable. Again, her entry is pretty bad, but overall a long position might work.
There's $10,000. And that's the start of my trading and traveling. Wow, don't I wish it was up 10,000?
So the thing is, of course, her approach is a little bit more long term, but after the failed breakout, obviously we can see that she bought here. After the failed breakout higher, maybe she should have cutted the position already here and searched for a better re-entry. And maybe she would have gotten the possibility to get back in at this price level or even lower with a bit more patience. And that could have worked better for her. Eventually she could have said, okay, I'm re-entering the position only after the market is breaking higher, or if a trend line is respected. For example, at this point, she could have searched for longs again, or after the highs are being broken again. So far, she held on to her long position, so no realized losses yet. We'll see.
Yeah, so we're at drawdown.
Hopefully, we're gonna see some results.
Down $9,000, $10,000.
How this worked out.
And that's the start of my trading and traveling. Wow, don't I wish it was up 10,000? And be like, all right, guys, you can totally trade and travel. How anticlimactic. This is actually quite the opposite. But yeah, so we're in drawdown. 10,000 bucks at the start of our 100K Euro vacay. It's fine. I mean, it's part of it. I would have been losing.
Are the $10,000 in unrealized loss part of the $100,000 vacation or not? Because then it's already a $110,000 vacation.
10 grand at home. I just happen to be losing it in Milan. So I'd rather be losing 10,000 here than at home, I guess.
Yeah, that's an argument.
All right, we have never experienced something like this before either.
Hi, kitchen.
Peyton, Victoria.
Oh, Peyton, Victoria.
Yes.
Nice
Hello,
to meet you.
so good to meet you.
You look
So Tori's name is Victoria, obviously, so we learned one thing about her.
You look stunning. This is so fun. I can't wait.
I like it simple. I like Francesco, our driver, is waiting right there.
We're so excited. Thank you so much. Part 3 of doing rich things that I can't afford because I'm an artist and my sister is a trader. Welcome to our 100K Euro vacay. This is day 1. We are going shopping with a private shopper. Her name.
The problem that Americans and other English-speaking people have is everywhere they're gonna speak to their friend or whatsoever, other people around them understand what they say, okay? They understand them. For us Germans, for example, if we are speaking German in another country, usually the people around us are not able to understand what we're talking about. But with Americans and Canadians and South Americans whatsoever, they basically do not have private conversations because everybody always understands what they're saying.
Name is Simone. Whoop. Almost out. Let's go shopping.
Okay, some shopping again. In Italy, always nice. Cathedral in Milano, been there as well a couple of years ago. Pretty nice spot, but keep in mind some recommendations, some advices from me. Be careful with all of your bags, and there are a lot of thieves, a lot of pickpockets around here. A friend of mine had his backpack with him on a bench like that, and everything got stolen: his passport, his phone, his laptop, because a pickpocket just took the bag and ran away. Okay, so really be careful in Italy around those spots.
It just doesn't even look real. We're going to the third floor, the restaurant. Y'all thought my...
Okay, good restaurant here. Are we seeing something from the trade again? No, nothing. Oh, come on. No trade result.
Oh my god, this burrata is stupid. Oh my god, it's amazing. Okay, this has been such a beautiful walk home. So easy, so quiet. Wow, this is crazy.
Okay, I watched the rest of the video. She did not mention the result of the trade. You know what that means. I have to find the exact trade in TradingView myself and see how it turns out. Okay, so let's get right into it. This was still... this was already in Italy. Okay, so I'm trying to find that. Give me a second. Okay, guys, believe it or not, I found the exact same location in the platinum futures in the 4-hour chart. So this, my whole horizontal line here, is more or less the location where Tori entered. You can see it right here. And I also included her trend line. So until up to this point is what we saw in Tori's video. And now this is how the market unfolded. We came back, touched the trend line once more. Again, a good opportunity to enter after this candle. And then we actually broke the highs and then found resistance more or less at this structure point here. At this point, we found resistance and then the market pretty much collapsed lower, consolidated for a couple of days. I don't know how long she held on to the position. If she maybe moved the stop loss to break even after the breakout, then she probably was stopped out at break even. Otherwise, she is again in a pretty heavy drawdown. And just in the last couple of hours, the market exploded higher. So I don't know if she really held on to the trade for the rest of the month. I doubt it. Probably she went out with break even or a loss. If she got really, really lucky or really, really good, she took a little profit at this top here. Otherwise, this was probably a negative outcome. Thank you guys for watching. This is what I wanted to see. Very nice video, very nice vlog. We saw something from Italy and some trading. I wish that we saw a final result before the video ended, but you know the deal, guys. I'm searching out everything myself. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. I definitely have to make sure to watch more of Tori Trades videos. This is exactly what we want to see, okay? Some trading, some analysis, and some entertaining vlogs, okay? This is everything I could ever ask for. We're gonna see us next time. Take care of yourself, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Good luck with trading this week. Bye-bye.